waitresses are wearing black diamond earrings, talking about zombies and Singapore slings. No trouble in their faces, not one anxious voice, none of the crazy you get from too much choice. The thumb in the satchel or the rented Rolls Royce, and you think she knows something by the second refill. You think she's enlightened as she totals your bill. You say, show me the way to bar and grill. Well, some say it's in service, they say humble makes pure. You're hoping it's near folly, 'cause you're headed that way for sure. And you just have to laugh, 'cause it's all so crazy. Our mind's on a boyfriend and eggs over easy. It's just a trick on you, hammers in your will. So you ask the truck driver on the way to the till, but he's just a slave. Bar and grill. The bar and grill. The guy at the gas pumps, he's got a lot of soul. He sings Merry Christmas for you, just like Nat King Cole. And he makes up his own tune right on the spot about white walls and windshields. This job he's got. And you wanna get moving, and you wanna stay still. Lost in the moment, some longing gets filled. And you even forget to ask, where's bar and grill? Show me the way to bar and grill. Just a slave to bar and grill. Hey, where's bar and grill?